Oh, yes. Lower it. Yes. Guys, the next thing is we're gonna take the oil line out. And that's of course one size bigger. Whoa. Yep. Okay. Now, enough for my Alan. Oh, easy. Then take the ball out. Then wiggle it a bit. Maybe we need a bit of a leverage. Yes. Hope. Then on the other side is an oil line too. We're gonna remove that one too. Now, let's go to the other side. Up, up, up. Let's see, guys. Yep. Oof. There I did. It's over there. It's almost impossible to film it. BMW. Sure. You are all the way in. Could be some stuff. Yes. Oh, it's very loose. Hop, we got it out, ladies and gentlemen. And then, of course, oh, hoppa. Okay, we have to take this one away and this one away. It's from the oxygen sensor. Hop. And this one goes to this side, and then on the other side we have also a cable and a connector. So we go to the other side. Behind here is the other cable of the oxygen sensor. This one we have to cut. Up. And then like this. Okay, lift this up and slide it out. Hop. Yes. Because in a moment we're gonna take the complete exhaust away. Oh guys, this one we need, it's from our, it's this wire. And let's see, that goes, of course, with a lot of lemmatjes. It goes to the voltage regulator. And that's, over there is the voltage regulator. So then First we have to push this one in. No. Yes, that's one. And then his brother. Probably the same. Well, now it's easy. Up. Now, then we have to. Oh, wait a minute. Goes over here. Let's see. This one. Okay, over here. Then all the way over there. Wait a minute. Mr. Postman. Get that fucking connector. Yes. No. Okay. Guys, over here we have the throttle body sensor. This is the cable. It goes over here. Hop. Okay. Yes. Okay, this one. Okay, we can leave it on top of here. It goes down with the engine. Guys, over here we have two hoses because we need to get that plastic thing off. Well, that's easy. Not. Wait a minute. Up, that's one. Okay, can leave it over here. Take it out. Then his brother. It's just yes, there he goes. Yep, and it's getting over there. Yep, this one. Now we're gonna start taking away the radiator and the oil cooler. It comes off as one unit according to BMW. First, another clamp, another tie wrap, up. Let's see. Yes, this one. Okay, then up. Yes, this out of the way. This. I'm not sure what goes where. This goes also to the radiator. Over here. Okay. Yes. good time. So, and again this one. Let's see this one. This one. Okay, hop. So now guys, underneath here is a clip. This one. See that one? There is a clip over here too. And let's get that out of the way too. Hop. See, same one. And that's also on the other side. And then with a bit of luck. Ah, shit. Mounted that stupid. Well. Guys. Not so nice. Let's see. His screen is over here with a bolt, but I can see almost loose. It's also with wait a minute. A special one, especially also for the clip, but look, it's not the way I would mount it. Nah. Okay. Sometimes. On the other side we're going to do the same. Maybe you can see it from here. Guys, over here we have that same clip with that same bolt. And over here it's also a bit fucked up. Okay, guys. Okay, I'm gonna get you over here. Guys, over here we have this hose with that also wonderful clamp. Yes. Okay. See stuff coming. Guys, needs to come off. That's the speed sensor. There is a. Yes. Okay. And then there's a clip over there. Come on, we go to the other side. This one. And it's over here again with a tire wrap. 3 keer geknipt en nog te kort. Then take it off here. underneath here, underneath here, but now, yes, yep, this one over there, the way, guys, now, needs to be done, Brooks and done, but yes, yep, here we got the oil cooler, which normally I think goes off together with the radiator. Yeah, guys, and now we can take this clip hop out and oh shit, the basket thing has to come off too. Yep, yep. Let's see how that sits over there, over there. This should be yeah, I can't get the radiator off without taking that fucking thing off. Yeah, it slides under it. Ah, that's why they bend it like that. See, it is a bit of a hassle to get that damn thing on or get it off. In this case, it's off. But we get it one way or another. Yes. Whew. And now we can lift the radiator out of that plastic. Now guys, the next step is to get the radiator off. And that's in this stage. Easy, I think. Carefully, maybe, oh, yes, lower it, yes, there it is. Whew. Got it out, ladies and gentlemen.